Welcome to Module 5.4, Mixed Methods Design Fundamentals. This session introduces the foundational dimensions that define mixed methods designs. Understanding these elements will help you recognize different design types and make informed decisions when planning your own mixed method studies. Mixed methods designs are structured around several core dimensions. Timing refers to whether data are collected concurrently at the same time or sequentially in phases. Priority indicates which method, quantitative or qualitative, takes precedence, or whether both are treated equally. The integration point reflects when and how the two data types are brought together during design, data collection, analysis, or interpretation. The theoretical perspective may be explicit, such as a transformative or pragmatic framework, or implicit, guiding the research in subtle ways. Finally, designs vary in complexity, from basic forms to multi-phase or embedded studies with multiple layers of integration. A useful way to describe mixed methods designs is through notation. Capital letters indicate the priority method. For example, QUAN means a quantitative dominant approach. Lowercase shows a secondary role, like QUAL, in a supporting function. A plus sign indicates a concurrent design where both methods are used simultaneously, QUAN plus QUAL, while an arrow, right arrow, signals a sequential design, such as quantitative followed by qualitative, QUAN right arrow QUAL. Parentheses are used in embedded designs where one method is nested within another, for instance, QUAN-QUAL, where qualitative data play a supplementary role. When selecting a mixed methods design, several practical and theoretical factors come into play. Start with the research question. What types of data are needed to answer it comprehensively? Next, consider your team's expertise and available resources. Do you have the skills and capacity for complex integration? Audience expectations matter too, especially in fields where certain designs are preferred. Don't forget feasibility. The timeline, budget, and access to data should all be considered. Finally, align your design with a theoretical or philosophical stance, whether it's pragmatism, critical theory, or another guiding framework.